once you cross the fire brigade station, then it's roughly about 1 kilometer, 1.5 kilometers from the Malad Malwani fire station. Okay, what's up people? What's up ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, bikers and dreamers? Welcome back to my channel. This is your host Dennis and you're watching Woo Motor Vlogs. So today is a Saturday and I'm going to this place called PS Customs. I've been looking at their social media page for quite some time and I see that they do some wonderful job with crash guards, with the top rack, with the saddle stays, and they are pretty good. I've seen the reviews are very nice. I've decided to put a saddle stay and a top rack for my Scrambler 400X. What he has quoted me online when I was having a chat with him was roughly about 6,500 for the top rack and the saddle stay. I feel it's a little bit expensive, but for the quality that I'm getting, I'm taking my chances. I'll give an extensive review about this product once I install them and spend some time with it. So if you go straight on this route, you will reach INS Hamla, and if you take a left from there, you will go to Aksa Beach. It'll take you to the retreat, the resort, these hotels. So this is Bay View. Looks good. We are in the Malwani area in Malad. In roughly 150 meters, once you see St. Anthony's School, High School, this is the school on my left. This is the left turn that you will have to take. Whoopsie! Google Maps is not showing this place. I think I have taken a exit pretty soon. So I entered this left turn, which is not the exact left turn. So after the St. Anthony High School, that is not the left turn that you need to take. This is the left turn that you need to take. This one. Now I'm in the right lane. Says over here PS Customs. This is the place, but which is the store? Hi, PS Customs. इसमें टॉप रैक लगाना था. मैंने किससे चैट करा था.
वो गेट खुलता ऑनलाइन.
हाँ. So this is the place and it's called PS Customs. This is their workshop. So you get crash guard, saddle stay, top rack, handlebar risers, fork risers, and he's opened the gate for me. So this is the workshop. Hi. You're the in charge over here?
Hi.
Hi, you're the owner?
Yeah.
Hi. I think I was chatting with you online. I want on Insta.
Okay. Regarding?
I wanted to install the top rack for this.
So we have the setup for saddle stay and top rack. Both are combined.
Okay. And if I just want the top rack, that's possible?
That is not available with us because the thing is that the top rack needs a base support also. And for the base support, we have provided it to the saddles.
Okay.
So both are connected and they comes together only.
Okay. And you have that available?
Yeah, that is available. Kiran bhai, available hai na? Saddle stay top rack available. Yeah, that is available.
Okay. And it will be sturdy. So, and this thing will come off?
Sorry?
the sari card will come off.
Actually, yeah, that is not required only.
Huh.
If you want, we can keep it also, and if you don't want, we can remove it also. It will decrease the weight
Okay.
by a kg or 1.5 kg.
Okay. And the top rack that you will put, that will be a universal top rack. I can put any top box on that.
Any top boxes like this
Okay.
or like that also. You can put any this thing, top boxes.
And the top box you all don't provide, right? I mean,
Provide top.
but which brand?
Asiatic or LS2, anything you want.
Okay.
For how many liters you are looking for? 35, 45, 55?
See, I want about 45 because I want to put my helmet also.
Yeah, so basically 45 liter are both the
These are 45,
45, yeah.
but this helmet will fit inside.
Yeah, that is also 45.
Okay. But this is your brand? I mean, this is you install this?
So resell this product. So you can keep the helmet and
Helmet is okay. And does water go inside this? Because I've seen some videos, not yours, but I've seen where.
check the box. This is my bike only and I'm using it since quite a long time.
Okay.
It's been 2 years I'm using this bike. The box is on this only.
Huh.
Water doesn't go inside.
And what is the price for this box?
This box is for 11,000, but I have currently only silver color available in this. And if you're looking for black color, for this particular box, we have an upgraded version also. So that will cost you 14,000, and that comes in black also.
But it will be exactly like this.
I'll just show you.
Okay.
Really helps.
Yeah. This is
I've already placed the order.
this is very good. For at least for me, I find that this, if I don't have this, I cannot do long rides.
Just put this, it's a very heavy. Even if you stand on it, it will not.
This one, na?
I'm using his product since almost 6-7 years.
Okay, this is your bike, huh?
Bike, yeah, it's my bike. So sturdy and so heavy duty.
This is tough, na? Because a lot of videos I've seen, where they go on that off-road path, this breaks the top rack.
Chana also breaks.
Huh.
So many brands, they only make the things.
Huh.
They are only focusing on the top rack.
Huh.
See, the thing which he makes, he actually gets the support from these.
Right.
Helps you to prevent the impact
Huh.
directly on a bike. Accordingly, I mean, this all combined gives a very sturdy support.
Okay.
So whatever amount of load you can place.
Yeah. And this does not rust and all, na?
No, not at all. This is my first bike where he actually done all the research and everything using it. See, it's already have some.
This also you installed from your only? No. Box from where?
No box. I'm actually using since my last bike.
Oh, the same box, huh?
No, only I've got this.
Okay.
Later on, I placed it.
Right.
If you want, you can check the product.
Okay.
So this is the product which you have seen on my bike.
Correct.
This is
But this is silver color. Huh.
yeah, but this is silver color.
Right. Okay.
The box includes, the price includes this thing, the backrest,
Uh-huh.
the straps,
Okay.
the holding strap. It's
Okay.
There.
Right.
You can hold it from your keys.
Okay.
Plus below this,
Mm-hmm.
you get aluminium knobs. Generally, all the plastic knobs are coming. We are
Okay.
giving aluminium knobs,
Okay.
so it lasts long
All right.
comparatively to the plastic ones.
Okay.
So this is one model.
Huh.
Second, this one is LS2. This
Okay.
is the basic one. The price is 14,000 for this, 11,000 for this.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the basic one. It provides only the top box.
Correct. Okay.
This is the third one. This is also a basic model. This will cost you around 10,000.
Okay. But these are China make?
Everything is China.
China make
If you
only.
take LS2 also, this is Chinese. If you take this Asiatic also, this is Chinese.
Chinese.
This one is also Chinese.
Okay.
The main thing is that the thickness of this product.
Huh.
The price difference is because of the thickness of the this thing, the plates.
This is
This made.
this is okay.
Yeah, this is 1.2, this is 1.5, this is also 1.2, this is 1.5. This is for 14,000.
Hmm.
So in this premium models we have black also,
Hmm.
and this is LS2. This is the Asiatic, which they provide the holding straps, backrest, aluminium knob,
Okay.
and everything.
Okay.
LS2 doesn't provide anything. No backrest, no sticks,
Okay.
nothing.
This is for 14 grand, right? You said 14,000.
Yeah, this is for 14,000.
All right. All right. Cool. All right. Let me think about it. But as of now, I'll put the saddle stay and the top rack.
Let me just reconfirm it. The products are there or not? हाँ? नहीं मारा? एज भी नहीं है क्या? ओ उस दिन जो अपन चेक कर रहे थे उनकी गाड़ी में
वन साइड है ना,
हाँ
वन साइड गई,
अरे यार टॉप रैक अच्छा टॉप रैक है सैडल भी वन साइड से received the product from the powder coating but they haven't sent the other side products so the saddle is
Oh.
only one side only. Okay so if possible you can come down on Monday
I can come tomorrow if you want. I'm off on Saturday and Sunday.
so maybe because Sundays we are closed so maybe you have to come again by next Saturday
Okay. Hmm.
वो नहीं मारेगा उन्होंने मतलब
रिपोर्टिंग में क्या होता है
हाँ
ये स्पीड 400 का
the yeah both are same only so this is the top rack which will be coming and these are the saddles this will be
अच्छा
connected here
हाँ हाँ ये समझ गया मैं बट ये सिर्फ एक ही अभी वो साइड का नहीं है आपके
का नहीं है
डिसअपॉइंटिंग Okay, fine. So you don't have what's your name?
my name is Parth
Parth.
yeah
Okay, Parth. I'll see if I can come next Saturday. I had some plans.
call before coming so that
Give me a card or something. You have a card?
you can if
My Insta. I have. I'll just take down your number.
you're looking for top boxes also na, let me know in advance actually the top boxes comes and go
Right.
every day so we
No,
have
there's another top box that I'm looking for. That is by Kolga. I've seen on
pros. Yeah that we also
Moto Earth. I had seen. They are. So I like that yellow and the black one.
that will be available if you want I can arrange it by next Saturday actually we also keep their stock but currently all the products are out of stock because of this Ladakh season na, it went,
Tell me your number.
it's 77
Yeah.
00
Yeah.
9
Yeah.
888
Yeah.
77
Parth, right?
from where did you got the reference sir
I saw it on Insta. I rode for 50 minutes to come over here, man. Actually, I had messaged you on.
up and confirmed it na so we what we do is if you have called me in the morning also na
हाँ.
so we have asked our vendor to paint it before the afternoon
हाँ.
so they have done it and they have sent it now actually if we told them to paint it na it will take evening the whole evening
Okay, so I'll take a leave because you don't have it right now.
yeah so just give me a call if you are looking for on Saturday na
हाँ.
give me a call 2 day prior so we'll be keeping one set for you
Okay. But that yeah, thanks. That can I just see that speed 400? थोड़ा मेरे को एकदम heavy लग रहा था.
if you want to install a top box now if you're planning for a top box you need this type of product so that it will take the capacity of the top box because the top box weight itself is 6.5 kgs
Okay, this is 6.5.
something sturdy base so that you can keep the top box on it
Yeah, he was telling me that this is quite sturdy. He had put it from here only. What is the weight of this?
the saddle stays and top rack both 5.5 to 6 kgs approximately
Okay.
not more than 6 kg because only the top rack doesn't take the load of all this aluminum top boxes because the empty box is weight around 6.5 kg
हाँ.
then if you keep the some stuff also then
Correct.
it will go around 1 or 2
Yeah.
kgs extra
Yeah.
so they won't be able to if the single top rack doesn't
Yeah.
take the load
Okay.
so we have connected it from here
Yeah.
to the saddle so
Yeah.
that it will take
Take the impact.
capacity load
And can I see the side part of it? हाँ. हाँ, I don't need to. I don't. हाँ. Okay.
goes like
Yeah, I understood. Yeah.
yeah and
Then that connects over here with that.
and this goes on the footrest
And
super sturdy product no need to worry for the
this won't rust and all, na?
no 6 months powder coating we provide 6 months powder coating warranty we provide
Huh.
and if you want to see the quality on my bike it's been 2 years I've installed it because we do the pre powder coating treatment so it doesn't catch the rust
Okay. Right. This is the same one installed on your bike?
yeah the same quality
Okay.
the design,
Just that the saddle stay, na, I don't like that side design of it.
this is square one and we have this for Triumph we have this triangle one.
Yeah. So here, like, you can put the jerry cans also, right?
yeah
Yeah.
if you want the square ones we can make it but we need your bike for the measurement
Okay.
so we can make it a square also
Okay.
these are panniers
So on those saddle stays, I cannot put pannier.
no you can
Okay.
those are for soft luggage only.
Okay.
Generally, not many people keep the panniers on this. If you want, we can make it, but we need the bike for measurement.
Okay.
We can do any customize, but for that we need the bike.
Okay.
This setup is same only. The plate and the this thing rack, only the clamps differ from bike to bike.
Okay. And when you go off-roading, it will not break or anything, na?
No. I have been to so many places. I've been to Nepal and everywhere. It doesn't
Huh.
anything, but it doesn't have. Don't worry for the cracks and anything. It won't happen.
Right. Cool. Okay, I'll see you probably next Saturday. I'll see if I have time.
Just give me a call 2 days prior.
I'll do that.
So that
Sure.
we can arrange it for you.
Yeah. Done. Y'all don't keep stock of it, huh?
We do keep the stock. We have 2 sets in stock, but the thing is that it went to powder coating, so it's
Okay. Cool.
To the right side.
Thanks, bro. So, sad ho gaya. The saddle stay and the top rack was not available. So, he has told me to come on next Saturday now. I rode all the way for nothing. But I saw the product, I felt it firsthand, and that product looked damn good. It looks very sturdy, heavy, and by the mechanics of it, the way he said that he will install it, that the top rack is connected to the saddle stay, which will enable it to take higher impact. So I liked that. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos where the top rack just falls down, and because the top box just falls down because the top rack is not able to take the weight of it. So once I install this, it should be pretty sturdy. I forgot to ask him the price for it, but I think that he had messaged me somewhere on 6,500. I'll try to negotiate with him a little bit. Let's see if he gives me a better deal. I'll let you know.